I will say, dear viewers and subscribers, welcome to the bar. So another video. Put a like, leave a comment, and we could get straight into this. Okay? Alright, so last night, the video that I posted with the attorney, I'd speak about how one of our client husband was detained by ICE. I read the comment, and I see a lot of owners say it's not possible. It was said that he have a social security and a work permit, and for you guys was saying no, something not right, something must go wrong, etc., etc. Because ICE is supposed to can detain that person. Alright, so anyway, she go come back and clear up what really happened. Now, if I want to comments did right and some only one are rubbish. I just be plain and straight. So she go clear the ear and make her understand. So this would be part 2. Because she say the wife call her and tell her what go on. So now she get full clarification and everything, so she can make her know and we can learn. Want to learn from this channel. Okay? Want to learn and listen. Them video dedicated to people in America and document and people where have their green card. So we can learn a thing or two. And further down in the video, I premiere a next story. So we now get 2 stories in one. Alright? So that's how we do it for the week. Anyway, we could hear from the attorney what really did go on, make them detain him, man. We could drive and listen.
Yesterday, I posted a video that ICE detained one of my clients, and the comments went off. I understand a lot of persons have questions, concerned, like what's going on. So I'm just going to clarify a few things and address a few things. First thing, what happened? ICE was doing a general raid, and he was a part of that. When they processed him, even though he had his work permit and social security number, he had a misdemeanor from over a year ago. Remember, when the wife called me yesterday, she did not have a lot of information. Hence, I did not have a lot of information. They were doing a general raid. He got caught up in it. They processed him and saw that he had a charge prior. Hence, they detained him and sent him to an ICE facility. That's what happened. A lot of persons saying, how come I don't know this and I don't know that? I'm not sure if you guys know what an RFE is. An RFE is a request for additional evidence. So you would have someone that it's either they submitted their paperwork themselves, they used a immigration consultant, a paralegal, or an attorney, and they get a request for evidence. I assist with requests for evidence. Hence, this is how I started working with this person. They got a request for evidence for a financial affidavit, and I aided him in that. So I don't know who initially submitted his documents. I don't know who processed it, what happened. I just responded to the RFE. Persons are saying this is not true and that is not true. I have no reason to lie. Like, why would I lie? How is that going to benefit me? Another thing is that persons are saying that's why persons which need to have a lawyer and whatever, that's ideal, but a lot of persons cannot afford tens of thousands of dollars to submit their immigration documents. Hence, you have persons who are immigration consultant, doc preparer, paralegals like myself, and then you have attorneys. Not everyone can afford to pay a lawyer to have their immigration documents submitted. It would be ideal, but not everyone have the resources to do so. What else? A lot of persons were being disrespectful and nasty. I blocked those persons, and it baffles my mind when you follow someone. It's always when you click, it's the one that says follow back. You're weird. Something is wrong with you, because why would I follow someone and then bash them? And the last thing I'm going to speak on, I don't play about my brand. My clients can vouch for me. Every single person that I've worked with, none of my clients, and I can say this with my whole chest, I can say it boldly, no one that I've ever worked with can say that I've ghosted them, I have took their money and not respond, I have not submitted their documents, I didn't do something that I was supposed to do. I really don't play about my job or my brand. I take it very seriously. Very, very seriously. They call me, I'm going to answer. Something needs to be done or submitted, Lacey's going to do it, regardless if they have the money to pay me upfront or not. That's just who I am, and they can vouch for that. So a lot of bold accusations are in the comments, and sometimes we really need to Stop commenting things on people's pages that we would not boldly say in front of them, especially behind a fake account. Come with your real account. Come with your whole chest, you know? But I really hope this clarified some things for some persons, the persons that are that genuinely care and not the one that's just causing mischief, you know? But I hope you guys have an awesome day.
So, as enough people always say, two sides to a story, and you know. So when me get this straight, it's even though them out and about other than thing, there are certain rules and laws said where they can't go around, you know. You understand? There are certain rules. So as we say, I could identification when you not touch on the road, whether citizen or non-citizen. And we have the discussion if we come up further down in our video. See? So that I go on, what I go on. But the caller called me today and him say he want to share my experience with him, go through, and him have advice to the people who they're on wrong door. Cause something like this reach that them under too. So I could hear what I say, and then we put on to some callers some last night who were debate about an interesting topic.
A lot of times people seem to forget, bro, that what they doing right now, it's been there since the 90s, bro. When I came here, it was 1995, bro. ICE and the federal government had these laws implemented a long time ago, yo. So this is just an enforcement, you feel me? Now, to all my people out there, all my Jamaican people, check this out. Your boy born Kingston, right? If I tell you where I come from, that's a you wouldn't believe me, but I come from a military background, bro.
Okay.
I was born up Park Kent, JDF, right? Can't tell you where in JDF because then that would just pinpoint me down to who I am and everything.
Want to like the video? Please, all watch the video, stop and press the like button so I reach more people, so we spread the news. Please and thanks, like this video. Mix up boss. Remember my number 8762773254. I could continue listening.
Right. So this is my thing. My situation was this, man. I'm gonna use this as a testimony to all my people that there's faith out there. You know what I'm saying? This is my thing. I came here without no documents, right? And this what happened. So when I was born, you know they issued that little yellow paper back in the day, right?
Right.
You just got that little yellow paper to show that you was born. Jamaica moved forward to that new birth certificate now.
Yeah.
Right? So now, this the thing. When you come here and you overstay, the first thing people got to understand is this, bro. Once you overstay, that's a crime within itself. You know what I'm saying? Overstaying is a crime, bro. I don't care how nobody feel about that. That's a crime. You understand?
Yeah.
So what's going to happen? What's going on is if ICE come through, let's say in a county, the county police is going to notify ICE, which they have all jurisdiction to do. Once they come through, the county say, okay, we got Jane Brown, and Jane Brown did such and such. Jane Brown robbed a store. They run the information. What people fail to realize is on your passport, there's a barcode that got your whole information on that, bro. And it's linked to the computer. Right? So if you did something and you get due process, you come in, you put your fingerprint in and all that. Then they like, yo, we don't have this person on record. Who is this? Then they contact ICE. ICE say, okay, boom, this person, Jane Brown. They overstayed. They came in this point. They came in the country at this point. That's a crime right there. Now.
So you did say you have experience with ICE? How'd that go?
My experience is this, bro. I was working at the airport, right? Doing my job. I told my boss, like, yo, I don't want to do that, bro. I don't want to go over immigration. You can't make me go over there. He was like, well, okay, if you don't go over there, I can write you up. All right, boom. That's how you rolling? Bang. Went over there. First day, cool. Second day, own black man, son. Was like, yo, you run there, look in the computer. He said to me, you got your green card on you? I'm like, nah. He pulled me in the back. He like, yo, right now I could deport you because you're supposed to have that on you at all times. So at the time, my supervisor vouched for me like, nah, you're not that type. But what I'm saying to you is, people who are here legally, bro, you need to have your green card in you at all times. Don't leave it in your back. Don't leave it in your house because you feel like it's safe. Yo, because let me tell you, from my experience, bro, I came to Jamaica, right? My green card got damaged, bro. I mean damaged. So boom, I couldn't travel back. It took me off the plane at Norman Manley. Can you imagine how I felt?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so boom, I had to basically work in Jamaica, get that money up, get a travel document to come back. Bro, when I got to the embassy out there, the one over there on your way to UE, this is what happened. Blah, blah, blah. They looked through my whole life on the computer, bro, and saw it. Boom. Have you ever been arrested? Mine, I was going to be like, nah, never that. I'm a good guy.
Mm-hmm.
Tell the truth. Yeah, I got arrested, but I ain't never had no charge. See what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So my thing is this. I'm telling all my people out there, if you know you ain't commit no crime, you good. But I'm telling you, if you get caught in the crossfire or somebody else in your area that got a problem or whatever with immigration, you going down too. So I'm telling you, it's better you just go with your pride, go home, dog.
Serious?
Go home. Real talk.
I mean, go home. Then people don't want piece of American pie. Hold on.
Bro, on Thursdays, bro, they dipping them, bro.
No, I know. Hold on.
Go
So
home,
you're saying that somebody who undocumented now, this presidency now, with where Trump and the ICE thing them at work and everything, you'll advise them to go leave and go home now?
Bro, what else choice you got? You
Then
rather face the deportation?
Yeah, but why you not just stay there and try a chance, do your little work and it doesn't matter say get rich or
all right. Check this out. I'm not a lawyer, bro. But I'm giving you facts, bro. I'm giving you straight facts.
But we have a lot of
we are Jamaican, right? And we are try a thing. You try a thing. Remember, I say when you try a thing, you run two risks. It's either you get catch or you don't get catch. Right? So you make a choice for how it go.
Yeah, but we don't want to come on here and advise them to leave. No,
me not advise. All right, me not advise nobody. You don't gotta listen to what I'm saying. I'm just saying, if you don't feel comfortable, if you gotta hide and do all this, bro,
it don't make no sense. Okay, so you mean
it make no sense. Go home.
But a lot of these people have nothing to come home to.
Yeah, you listen to me, and that part, my heart goes out to them, bro.
All right.
My heart goes out to people who got nothing to come home to, and I understand that. But let me tell you this, bro. One day at a time, and faith could take care of everything, bro. You trust in God, and God could do anything, bro. You understand what I'm saying? All I'm saying is this. We can all, as one people, if you know somebody that need help, right? Give her advice. Help them. You know what I mean? Because people coming back home now and they got nowhere to go. But we as Jamaican would look on them and ridicule them. Oh, yeah, deported, yeah, this, yeah, that. No. Remember, that could be you. You understand what I'm saying? The misconception about what we think as Jamaican is once we get a visa, we make it. No. That is half the battle. The other battle comes when you make up your mind at that time when you get to foreign, by hell and powder host, by any means necessary, you're going to do the right thing and get what you want out of your opportunity. That's where I stand, bro. I'm not telling nobody to just go up and say, yo, take your opportunity, do the right thing with it. Because let me tell you, as the song say, you never want to go to Rikers Island? No, you're going to Rikers Island. All right, that's all I'm saying.
Okay.
I ain't really going to tell nobody nothing negative, but when I'm telling you, state law is state law. Federal law, bro, like look at it like this. Back in the 90s, right? You could commit a crime, and go from New York City to Mount Vernon, And you don't get catching up. Because Mount Vernon jurisdiction can't come across New York City. You understand me I say? No. If you go to Mount Vernon can basically carry you, can send you back over to New York City for your time. You understand me I say? So when you know, boom, and you think say you run go this, so once you get entangled, you know, the information is there. You understand? Because one time, you know, me get knocked. Like me, I tell me get knocked at Tennessee, you know. Right? I'm basically I get dip. But here what? I got dip on my side. Why? You know, why I not get knocked? Because I want racist police, dog. It's like him, boom. Me I come home one night. Right? I mean, I dishwasher at the time. See? And me I walk across the street and this car come with bright light and like me say, yo, what's car come with bright light so? When me look, one big white sheriff come out. He say, what are you doing out here this time? And I said, I'm coming from work. So he say, you have your ID on you? I said, yes, sir, I have my ID on me. He said, let me see your ID. I show him my ID. And basically look for me, get back in our car. I say nothing, you know. You see, the next day, my youth, me get in an argument with that woman. Right? Me and her argue, you know, girl and man thing. And the same police come, my youth. And when him come, him say, yo, boom. Him not even ask for ID this time. Him said to the girl, you want me lock him up? You know, I say, Lord God, you lock up. Boom, my youth, straight down on the Chevrolet front. No question asked. Straight to jail. So may I tell you see when them lock you up, my youth, right now me still have the bracelet engraved in my hand until now, you know that. You know what kind of bracelet me I talk about? So if at that you want, remember say me I tell my testimony so that people can understand where I'm coming from. My journey was not sweet. My journey was not easy. But here we are. By grace of God, we make it. And right now, if you see me right now, I can show you my hand. And turn over my hand and you see where the crease is in my hand from that bracelet. Because when they lock me up, dog, they put on the bangle and I back on the bangle, you know. So you know, so that crimp down by your hand, you know, dog.
Okay.
Luckily, say that habit say, when time now for me go see the judge, you know, that means let me get locked up the Friday, you know. So, me no see judge until Monday morning. Basically Monday in a Tuesday before me see a judge, you know. That means them transport me from the jail, from the county jail to the prison. And then from the prison, because they said they never have no space in the county jail. So from the prison, then back to the courthouse. By the time I reach the courthouse, I see them bracelet me have on for me and until now, dog. You see it? So check it out, dog. What me I say? Me nah discourage nobody. That's a warn you. Say, yo, please, if you know you're out there and you do badness and all them things, just easiest, yo, I tell you, badness no peer. Badness no peer. Just stop it.
Alright.
Understand? That me I say.
Big up
To
yourself.
all the people,
Yeah, tell them again. Alright, so move on from that now. We have a big debate last night. You can comment below. I don't know if you ask a question. Which you can make a copy of your green card and travel with, or it's against the law, or you can just travel with an ID for sure identification. We have a big debate last night. I don't know which part we started from, but if you don't miss it last night, try understand the show, or no watch the original show, understand where we're not debate pan, but it was a lot of caller. I'm going to pick a few. Tell me who makes sense. Anyway, after this, I come live. Love you know. Put in a comment on everything. I'm gone.
Okay. It's the immigrants who are 18 or older are required by law to carry a green card with them at all times. Section 264E of the Immigration and Nationality Act, INA, it is considered official evidence of your LPR, LPR status, which you might need to show to U.S. immigration authorities. If you, for example, decide to carry a copy of your green card instead of the original because you want to keep the original safe, you will be violating the law. That is what immigration law says.
Well on, so what you say, if you repeat the part there again.
Me send it to you on your phone.
No man, me can't read so good with the fine writing.
Okay, alright. What you asked me, sir?
The part that we just read, say you will be whatever with whatever. The last piece there.
It said, it said, for instance, if, for example, you decide to carry a copy of your green card instead of the original because you want to keep it, the original safe, you will be violating the law. Let me go further and tell you what me know. Me know so that even your certificate of citizenship and stuff, you used to write on it and you say you can't copy it.
Oh.
Okay? When you go for look for your job and you carry some of your paperwork, it tell them say them not to copy it. Them supposed to look on it and write down so that them see one something named I-9. The employee, them sometimes them copy this stuff, but it's actually written on some of them immigration papers said not to be copied. And when you go for your job, you get them look on your paper, they fill up the I-9, them look on it and tick off what you give them. They're not supposed to take a copy of it. So yes, you must have you're required to carry a green card with you at all times. Not a copy of it. I see a guy on the program keep asking a guy named Biggs.
Okay.
You're supposed to have the card on you.
That's how you serious, bro.
That's what the law said. Look, me send it to you on your phone. You can show it on put it up and show it on the stuff.
No man, you don't you talk it already, so I don't need
but if you put it on the phone and hold it up, it will go in on the program. It will stay up on the screen when the thing is being broadcast, because that's important. I know this all along,
We never know.
Okay. And I send you another thing to tell you that another thing a lot of people, you ask a question, what can one do to avoid deportation from the United States? A citizen in every country, a person must have a citizen, at least one citizenship for one country. If you have more than one citizenship, you can deport it to another country. If people don't want to be deported from the United States, Jamaicans or anybody from another country, legally, if you don't want to be deported, you need to give up your Jamaican citizenship. So
if you're a dual citizen, you can be deported?
You must, by law, international law, you must have a citizen. You must be a citizen of one country. There can be nobody without any citizenship, right? When you take the citizenship oath here, that you renounce the citizenship in Jamaica, but you're still a Jamaican citizenship, because to give up to not be a Jamaican, and this is what a lot of people get wrong. To not be a Jamaican citizen, you have to go through the process of applying and pay money, fill up form and pay money to renounce your citizenship. And you have to prove for them to approve to take away your Jamaican citizenship after you apply for it. You have to prove to them, say you have citizenship for another country. If you're Jamaican, for instance, or any country, if they give up the country where they born, citizenship, America have no country for them, only have U.S. citizenship. America cannot deport them. Because you can't be deported from any country without you have a second citizenship to go. Right? But yes, you are required by law always, not today. The immigration law was always that you carry your green card with you, on your person at all times. That's what the law always said. All right.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. Enough love.
Yeah, thanks. But every night I come on and you can hear different something. If you commit a crime, they can deport you, but you don't have to give up your Jamaican citizenship. This guy know nothing. Hey, everybody come and say something. Somebody say them don't know something. We don't know who. Lord God. You agree with the caller, guys? No, man, you can't have dual. I understand what the man say. You can't have dual citizenship, I know. I want to listen what the man say, I know. Because enough of we hear, but we don't listen with understanding. The man say, he never say you cannot have dual citizenship. He say when you have dual citizenship, you are at risk to be deported if you commit certain type or whatever. You understand that me get from what he must say. He must say if you give up a Jamaican one and does your full-time US, it's harder. That's what he must try to say. You understand? So now if you understand, the man never say only can be a dual citizen. Enough man depend green card and now turn citizen card, then one can come and go back and forth or whatever. You understand? So get that's what me get from what I say, to my understanding. You understand? Anybody can have dual citizenship, but the man I tell you say you're at risk to be deported once you have that. You understand? So let me know. Anyway, Patrick, what go on? Sorry for having up on the phone long.
Oh. You just there, man?
Yeah, man, where you going with it? Did I say something?
Oh, I just want to confirm what the guy was telling you a while ago. I texted you not too long ago to let you know that too. That you have to walk with your... If I stop you, they don't want to look at your identification.
But me see somebody on TikTok, one, I remember if I want liar or somebody say take a picture, a photocopy of the original, and keep the original one, have a photocopy. But no, the man say you can't do that with a green card and certain things. Can I take a look at that? He must say he on the paper. So I don't understand.
Yeah, whatever I was telling you about just ID alone, they're not gonna look at that and determine who you are. They're gonna take you in still.
If you have the ID, they might take you in.
Yeah, what they want to see the green card and your passport.
No, man, when you say ID, you mean like green card or any identification to prove say you're a citizen. Me understand what you say, man. It never mean that's one little ID. That would make sense. If you know say a green card, you walk with it. If you know say whatever you have, if you have a US passport, you walk with it. That's simple.
No, why I want to clarify that is because some people think that you walk with a license. That's okay.
Your license?
Yeah, the license, the ID. That's what I'm talking about.
But if you walk with a license, with the ID, the license, and it shows say, yeah, whatever. As a US citizen, that's supposed to can cover it as a citizen.
No,
you can't cover it. So as a citizen, why citizen have to walk with them?
Okay, the passport.
The passport.
Yeah, you will say passport. When you're a citizen, they give you a passport, American passport.
That's all they have to walk with. Once you're a citizen.
And you're a citizen, and your green card.
No, man. Me talk man we born in America. Me not talk about no man who come and...
Oh, man born in America.
That's him passport.
Yeah, they have to walk with them birth paper then.
Oh.
Yeah, they have to walk with them. They don't really look at your... we call it license over here. They don't really look at that and determine who you are. ICE, not about ICE. Police different. Police, okay, they want your license. The license, the ID, that's what they call ID. All right, later.
All right, cool. All right. Hey, when you time this very nice, when we have the village lawyer, them know everything, you know. Big up. Yeah, man. Hello?
Hey, you're still up on the show?
Up on the show, man. Now come off.
The brother there where I must say about all the ID you have to walk with is a driver's license. You hear me tell you?
But you must say driver's license can't work.
Nah, man. If you're a resident or a citizen, if you pull out your driver's license, on the driver's license, there's gonna be a star. You get me? The star represents you're legal in the country. You understand me? And this is America. once them put their name in any computer, any vehicle where they have their computer system, everything come up. This is a personal country, brother. Anything, you tell them your name, or you them get your ID and just put it in the computer. Every single thing come up. You get me?
Okay.
So they already have your information. You get me? And your ID have a star on it for sure. Say, yo, you're legal. Because you know, so a lot of illegal people right now get driver's license in a New York. You get me? So them legal for drive and everything. But once police pull them over, and the police can't really trouble them. You get me? But once police pull them over, them can look for the ID and say, yo, this guy is not legal, but he's legal to drive, he's legal to do certain things, you get me, but he's not legal because the ID don't have a star on it.
Oh, so you go.
Every driver's license in America have a star.
Have a star
right
on it, okay.
Yes. Yeah, so. Yeah, man. So, but it's a tricky thing. It's a tricky thing, man. So,
it's tricky. And enough people still not understand the process. Because even though we're there and chat about it, yeah, people are saying you can walk with a copy of this and copy of that, and a man saying you're not supposed to copy.
You can, but you're not supposed to. And the green card, it's not when you're there for your walk with your green card. It's never good for your walk.
It's not good for walk with that. That's risky.
As long as you have a license, the driver's license, as I said, there's a star at the top of the driver's license showing that you're legal in the country. I tell anyone of them pull out them like driver's license, as long as they have a driver's license, and look on it and they can tell. Say there's a star, that the star represents that you're legal in the country. You get me? So green card, never you walk with that. That's a problem you have put yourself in your lawsuit. You get me? Problem. I one of the hardest things for you to get back. You get me? And it takes months for you to get it back. Yeah, man, but as I say, it's a tricky situation, like, and yes, you have a lot of people who read the Bible and everybody dictate the Bible wrong. Some dictate
that's
right,
it.
some
True.
True. So the people them read the rule and the rule book them, and every one of them dictates it wrong. You get me?
True.
So you don't go right, you can't tell what really they not the right and proper way. But as I said, tricky situation, but nobody don't walk with them green card, man. Guys, you lose it and you're in a problem. The ID is good enough. Once they pull you over and once they stop it and show your ID, then you can already tell who you're with. Alright? Alright. 2 cents.
Big up.
Yeah.
Hey man, that guy who just come off of the phone, you have no clue what he's saying. What I read for you is immigration law. That's American law, okay? And what I read for you is that you must have your green card. Anybody who have a green card is supposed to have it on them per person every single time. People leave it on their yard and don't do it. But what the law said, from what I read for you, I sent it to you, the law says you must carry, it's a requirement to carry your green card. They never say when you're a citizen you have to carry anything. The other question for the guy who just came off, now, how many people in the United States have a driver's license? Most people don't. You understand? Yes, in New York City, you have 3 different driver's licenses. And it depends on the level of proof that you give when you're applying for the renewing your license or applying for it, right? You have one, I don't even remember what it's called. You have a regular one where people who don't have all of the paperwork get that one. You have a middle one with a black star on it. And then you have another one, enhanced, and I don't remember what the other one name, right? But you can't do the top one you can use it for going to government buildings and maybe the military bases and stuff, right? The middle one you can use it to fly. The top one you can use it to fly, but they're restricted. It's 3 different ones. They have 3 different type of stuff. But yes, it's not a joke. What he's saying, he don't know what he's saying. What I read to you first time is the law of the United States immigration, and that has not. All right.
All right. Let me take a call. Thanks.
Okay.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, are you live?
Yeah,
are you live?
I'm live.
Yeah, so I'm calling about the immigration thing. I hope that's what you're discussing.
Yeah, that's what we are now.
Yeah, so I'm calling from California, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I've been in the United States for over 20 years now. I served in the military.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
I'm a naturalized citizen, right? I was a resident for 8 years, which means I was only a green card holder, right? If you have a state-issued ID, right? Because not everybody's going to drive a car. If you have a state-issued ID, right, which you have to have one, right? That's a valid form of ID.
Oh.
If you have a driver's license, right? That's the valid form of ID. If you have a veteran ID, that's a valid form of ID. You can walk with all of those. I used to walk with my driver's license coupled with my green card, but I don't have to carry it. You just have to have a valid form of ID. Everything
So any valid form of ID, any state ID, any valid form of ID, that works.
Yes, because all of them is going to feed back to the same source. You can't get a state issued ID unless you're here legally. Anyway. If in case you fake one, it's going to lead to nowhere. They're going to take you in. But if you have it and it's legal, it's going to show that you're legally. It's going to show that you're legal in the system. Right? You don't have to walk with your passport either. That's nonsense. When am I going to walk with a big old passport? Forget the wet and ripped up. I never walk with my passport.
Okay.
And where I live in California, close to the border. Where I live is an extension of the border. I see a border patrol vehicle every day. Every single day. They drive a green and white vehicle. I'm not scared. I have my driver's license.
Okay.
I'm a citizen.
All right, my boss. Big up yourself. So our next call will come in. Let me try to see if we can get as much before we come off. Thank you. Let's up, yeah. More somebody if you call me we get deported from foreign. Differently from the one who post for there and tell me some procedure we they go through. Trust me, I love anything to do with the topic here. I love it. I know if I want to tired of it, I want to say this, but I want to listen to this man and woman story. Sometimes we have to change up a thing once. So I know if I want to, dear man, this again. I not talk about it, but I can just premiere it. That's where the algorithm on YouTube will push my channel. So I have to work with it. We have to make the money, don't? Or big up on yourself. Like the video for me. Yeah. We don't know how we do it over here. We mix up a thing. At 2024, we now come chat about one thing. Now next night we chat about something else. So tonight topic, we now go love it. Alright? What is on my nose? I'm out.